चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Good morning, and right now what we can tell you that it is at noon when the meeting has been called. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor will be chairing the meeting with the top brass of the security apparatus at Raj Bhavan at 12 in the afternoon. The meeting has been called after the instructions by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who spoke to LG Manoj Sinha, and they directed LG Sinha to be in Jammu at priority and to assess the situation on ground. And now LG Manoj Sinha has called the meeting at 12 noon. The meeting will be attended not only by the top brass of the Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police, but also the Central Armed Police Forces. As we speak, the security apparatus has been beefed up. Now the specialized drones are also being pressed into the operations where the terrorists are still at large, and the agencies are trying to get hold of these terrorists. If Sir Gaurav can show you a 360-degree view, then you will get an idea that the terrorists are, the security forces have beefed up the search operations. The special forces too have been inducted into the operations, and with the specialized weapons that they are carrying, they are trying to ensure that the perpetrators of these attacks are neutralized at an earliest. Earlier also we have seen multiple terror attack of same nature happening in this area, but now what has happened that the terrorists have tried to foment trouble by carrying out the targeted killings of the civilians. Earlier it was only restricted to the civilians, the security forces, but now it is the civilians. The 12 p.m. meeting is going to be very important meeting, because in this LG Manoj Sinha has asked for a work plan, a flow chart that how things will operate from now on, because this is enough what has been conveyed to him as well, because the union government has taken it really very seriously. This is not about a single attack happening on the pilgrims, but this is about a planned attack that they have carried out on the eve when the government was to take the oath. The main motive of this attack was to show, overshadow the oath ceremony, and also to show that how terrorists are operating freely in Jammu and Kashmir. And that's why this 12 p.m. meeting is going to be really very important, when each and every officer will be asked for their inputs and the homework that they have done to trace out these terrorists.
Absolutely, Gursimran. Tough measures need to be taken. Stay with us. We'll also show our viewers that you have the report that you have filed from the location of the attack now.